Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an eye look using Naked Urban Decay Naked Honey. Okay, I love this so much. Look at these colors for fall. These are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's getting too bright, but look at that. Anyways, I love this so much. I was not gonna buy another palette, but oh my gosh, they had to come out with this and I had to get it. So, okay. First of all, I'm gonna do my lips really quick because I know it seems weird to start with your lips, but I was watching Lisa Eldridge do Victoria Beckham, and then Victoria Beckham did Lisa Eldridge, and oh my gosh, it was crazy. She's like, go down a little lower with the liner on your lip, and it'll make your lips look bigger. I'm like, yes, please. So I'm using Plum, MAC Plum, and then Sephora Lipstick, just like I normally do, and I'm gonna blend it just like that. And then my trick that I always do, a little shiny right in the middle here, right here, Burts Bees, and that's it. There's my lip. So, okay, Chloe Morello did a look, and I'm gonna try to recreate her look. So I'm gonna do exactly what she did. So this is so cool. I already have my Strobe Cream and foundation on my eyes, and I used Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes. And my eyebrows are Benefit Precisely My Brow. So that's already done. Okay, so the first thing she did was she said to use Flyby, which is the lightest color here, Flyby, and put it all under your brow. So that's what I'm gonna do. Flyby right here under the brow, just like this, okay? Oh, and I did use, oh, if you don't know about this, LA Girl Pro Concealer, I use this for my eye primer, eyelid primer. So anyway, so second thing she does is then she used Sweet. Now it comes with this brush. I don't really use it that much, but I will use the fluffy part for the crease. So anyway, so we're gonna use Sweet, which is a little darker, and we're gonna do that right there in the crease. It's sort of a transition shade, and it just like starts the crease, starts the color there. So, okay, so that's it. Sweet in the crease. Then she says to use Drip. Now this is a halo look, so a halo is when you use darker in the middle, right here and the outside. So we're gonna try this. So it is Drip. So inner and outer parts of the eyes. So, and it's kind of the darker shade, so Drip. So right here and right here, and then the outer, right here and right here. So, and again, everything looks crazy in the beginning, but then you blend it. So right here, there. Okay, that's Drip. Then moving along, then she uses Sting in the inner and outer part. So Sting, wait, which one's Sting? Hold on. Oh, right here, okay. Sting is the darkest color. So again, in the outer part right here. So it's really gonna make it more dramatic. So that's Sting, the darkest one here, okay? And then she also uses it, okay, the same Sting under the eye. So right here under the eye. And that's gonna be like an eyeliner. Look at that. Look at the difference. Love that. So Sting right here, using it again as an eyeliner. Right there, okay. Then moving along. Oh, okay, you know what she did? Okay, I gotta show you these shimmer shades. So she swatched on her fingers all the shimmer shades right here. How gorgeous are these colors? Oh my gosh, these are like so shimmery, so gorgeous. These shimmer shades, love these so much. Love them. It's HBIC, Amber, Golden, Honey, and Queen. Yes, please, love that. So then, so what she used on the center of the lid is Queen. So Queen is, it's kind of like a darker shimmer, but so we're gonna put that right on the center, right here. Right there, that's Queen. Okay. For some reason, it's not looking like Chloe Morello right now, but it better at the end. So I kind of feel like I have to blend it a little bit. I'm gonna blend I'm gonna just blend this really quickly because it's looking a little wonky. Okay, so Queen, center of the lid. Then, moving along, Thrive. So you put Thrive in the inner corner, and yeah, Thrive. Okay, ready? So Thrive right here. Hold on, I can't see it. Oh, right here, okay. Right there, okay, love it. Okay, then, oh, okay, wait. Okay, I know what Thrive was. So Thrive Cosmetics has a, that's why I didn't know what it was. Thrive Cosmetics has a pen that's golden. It's not a color in the palette. This is Thrive pen, and you put that in the inner corner. Okay, so sorry, this is a crazy video, but I'm telling you, it's gonna turn out great. Stick with me, I promise. So look at that, okay, see that? See how you always put a brightener in the inner corner. So that's right there. Okay, Thrive Cosmetics. Okay, then she used from the palette, Honey. So Honey is like the brightest, like golden color. I love it so much. So she put Honey in the inner corner and in the center. So right here. Look how bright, and oh, I love that so much. And these are so good for fall. I love it so much for fall. Okay, inner corner and the center of the lid. Okay, then this was a new thing I'd never seen. So this is Honey right here. And that's really brightening up the eye. Love that so much. But then you know what she did? She copied it. Not only did you put it here, but you put it under the eye in the same exact spot, but under the eye. I've never done this before. We'll see if I like it. So it's like a little shimmer right under your eye. Okay, love that. Then, okay, then she used Queen again. So Queen is like the darker shimmer, and she used Queen in the center of the outer corner, actually like this. So that's Queen, outer corner like that. It's a little bit shimmery, okay? Okay, then moving along. So Urban Decay, they make eyeliner. I love these eyeliners so much. So Urban Decay Bourbon, this one's Bourbon, and she uses this for her actual eyeliner. So I'm gonna just run that right across the top of my lid right here for eyeliner. And then same thing on the other side. And then she uses it just on the outer part right here of the eye, right here and right here. Okay. So Bourbon, Urban Decay, love that. Then, okay, I'm gonna do contour because you know me, I love contour. I'm using my Hoola Bronzer. And I was watching Lisa Eldridge again when she was doing Victoria Beckham. And you know what she did? I'm gonna try this. So instead of doing your bronzer, starting here and going up, she said start at the back here and go down so that the most of your makeup is up here. So I'm gonna do it this way. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yes, I love that so much. Okay, and obviously I'll blend it, but just for the sake of this, look at that. So start at the top and go down. She said, because then all the product is darker up here instead of being darker here and going up. Okay, love that. Then of course you do right here, and then you do the jaw, like that. And then blend it down, blend, blend, blend. Now, of course, now we're just blending it in. And this is your 3, ready? There's the 3. Just like that. Love that so much. And then pull it down the neck like that. Okay, and hot tip, while I'm looking, I can see. Okay, J-Lo's makeup artist uses SPF 100 by Neutrogena to make the shimmer on your neck. So I had sprayed this on earlier. Hot tip, don't forget this. Love that. Neutrogena spray, it has this like little pump, and that's where she gets the glow. J-Lo glow. Hello, yes please, love that. Okay, moving along. Now I have already curled my eyelashes with my, of course, Lancome, which I cannot wait for their box to come out. And then I'm gonna do mascara, but before I do, I'm going to contour my nose. Again, using the same Hoola Bronzer. And you just take this line that comes straight down from your eyebrow, and you do both sides of your nose like this. And then you go underneath like that. How great is that? And it looks like a lot right now. You just take your same Urban Decay brush. Oh, this is the F107 brush. I love this. This is the one I use for contour. And you just pull it down like that and blend it. And that's what makes your nose skinnier, guys. Little trick. Love that. Okay, then to finish it off, I am going to use Urban Decay Allnighter setting spray. Love this so much. And you just set your whole makeup look with this, like 3 pumps. Hello, and it has a nice little kind of nice little smell, not too much of a smell. Oh, and then also, I did my eyebrows earlier, but also from Urban Decay, Brow Endowed, and it's 2-sided, and I use the one that has the brown. It's like a little brown, and that's what I did to set my eyebrows, sets them in place. Love that. Again, Urban Decay. I'm trying to show you a lot of Urban Decay stuff. And then finally is my mascara. Now, I don't use Urban Decay mascara. Of course, I use my Lancome Difinicils. Now, this is the primer. So you put that on first, and it's white, and it kind of sets them into place like that. Then you kind of let that dry a little. And then, for time, I'm not gonna wait for it to dry, but then I've got the Lancome Difinicils. Love this mascara so much, and love it so much. And then also, let's not forget it's Friday night. I hope you all are going on date night with your significant others. Yes, please, I am planning on it. Keep the spice alive in your marriage, ladies. And if you don't feel like do it anyways. And then also a hot tip, if you all need to have your hormones checked, yes, please. Hormone therapy is a real thing. Thank God. I used to get angry. Everyone was on my list of I hate you and I'm angry at you. Not anymore. I'm all balanced out. And that testosterone, let me tell you, don't have to ask me twice to go on date night. So go on date night. And then last but not least is my under lash. Now, a lot of my friends, I don't have them anymore, but they have their false eyelashes. So I got this Clinique under bottom lash mascara there, and it's from Clinique. And look at the teeny tiny little applicator. I love this so much. And a lot of my friends are like, oh my gosh, I have to get that because they have their lashes on top, but they don't know what to do at the bottom. And it's just teeny tiny. It's perfect for the bottom lashes. And there you have it. So Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Run, don't walk. I got it at Sephora. I love it so much. Let me turn this. There we go. It's kind of hard to see, but these colors, that's a better way. These colors are so gorgeous. Great for fall, great for date night. And until next time, love ya. Bye.